A-diddle-a-doo, here's good news, no more blues. Sweet Lila's in town, maybe you know it too. Good news travels around. For a thrill, wait until she passes you by. I would stake my reputation that she catches your eye. Who's got a sugary, sweet personality? Lila. Wonderful, nothing less, bundle of happiness. Lila. Who has her picture taken wherever she goes? Who's on the candy boxes of Hyla? Lila. When there's a gang around, who do they hang around? Lila. Why, look at 'em fall for her, gentlemen all prefer Lila. Now you know, and I know, that she's so, oh, up to the minute, there's nobody in it with Lila. Why, look at her coming down the street now, and I'll say she is hot stuff. Mm-hmm. 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 Who do you want to see when you want company? Lila. And who do you want to bring? Oodles of everything. Lila. Who is the real attraction at beauty parades? Perfection, that's the way that they style her, Lila. And who do the fellows love? Who are they jealous of? Lila. And who is the honey bunch they want to take to lunch? Sweet Lila. Now everybody loves my baby, but my baby don't love nobody. Up to the minute, there's nobody